Hello and welcome to Munim's Cakes. Today I'm going to tell you guys about how I assemble these birth announcement boxes. You can also find me on my Instagram page by the name Munim's Cakes. So I was asked to make birth announcement boxes of 4 cupcakes each. Each box to have 2 chocolate and 2 vanilla cupcakes. My customer basically had a certain requirement. She wanted the names of both her twin boys on 2 of the cupcakes, and then she wanted 1 cupcake to have twin boys written on top, and then 1 cupcake with a onesie on top. So like you can see here, I made these by hand with fondant, and I'm placing these on top of the cupcakes which I've already made and iced. Now you just have to be careful that you put these toppers on top just before pickup, because otherwise it gets a little soggy in the fridge. So once I'm done putting these on top, I wrapped it up with a ribbon, and then I put my stickers on top. This is just before, like half an hour before pickup, because like I said, you have to be careful when you're using fondant on cupcakes. They get a little soggy. So once I'm done putting my stickers, here is the final look of the cupcakes. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thank you.